Gaming Club started last year in the spring. We had a really short run, but Tabletop Gaming Club is all about games that you play on a table.
So Tabletop Gaming Club, what we're currently doing, and what I'm currently doing, is playing a game called D&D. And basically I gathered a small group of people that I put in this nice fictional world.
D&D is not the only game you can play in this club. You can also play other tabletop games and other board games as well.
I have a Dungeons and Dragons poster hanging up in the back of my classroom, and I had some students, if they saw that poster, I had some students approach me about it, and students are always surprised to learn that I play Dungeons and Dragons too in my own time.
In the Tabletop Gaming Club, Wednesdays are the day to engage in club activities such as board games, D&D, and more.
So we don't really meet during homeroom. There's just not enough time. The only time we would meet during homeroom, the activities, is just for quick informational things. But we meet most Wednesdays, so we just say every Wednesday from 4 to 6. And if there's a Wednesday that we can't meet for whatever reason, we have a Google Classroom set up.
For more information, please stop by Miss Falansby's room.